G'day YouTube, Max right here, and today we're going to talk about Bitcoin futures. Are they creating a little monthly cycle right here inside the Bitcoin price? Is it something that's relatively easy to follow and track? We're going to dive deep on that to see how much Bitcoin futures are affecting the price over the last few months, and can we use that to make more money over the next remainder of this bull market. So smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and let's get to it. So we see here what I've gone ahead and done. In case you don't know, the last Friday of every month is when the bulk of the Bitcoin futures expire. So I've gone ahead and drawn those dates here with these blue lines here. You can see the last three. And I think it's pretty obvious jumps out. It reveals to us something very, very interesting. So if we come back here to January 29th, we can see that, over the preceding 12, well, it's about 20 days actually, it created a bull flag into the expiry of those futures and shorts, and then boom, right there, it starts a massive leg up. Fast forward a little bit to Feb 26th, and we find ourselves right here, and boom, what are we going to do? It's the tail end of this bull flag. We can see that it actually lasts about 3 days longer, and then we're off on a big run up. And then again, it takes about 2 weeks in anticipation of the expiry of these contracts right here on March 26th. And then on that day, turns around with a big green candle and off to the races. And by the way, shout out to, and I'm not sure who the name was, but in my last Q&A, one of the Success Council members asked me about this. And I said, I don't really look at it. And then, but it stuck with me the question that was asked, because I remember that he said in the question, is the expiry of these options going to cause a boom in the next few days? And I was like, I don't really follow it. So, but then there was a boom over the next few days, so I went back and looked at it. I was like, okay, so I forgot who asked that question, but shout out to the Success Council member who asked that question. So here I am right here, and we can see, boom, on this day, it was the absolute bottom of this bull flag, and we break out and broke out well above that bull flag, and we are confirmed here. By the way, as a really good reason not to listen to anything I say, what did I do? I sold right here at the bottom of this bull flag. Absolute rookie mistake. This long-term green trend line here, when it broke through and confirmed and was below there, I just thought there was a little bit too much risk in the market there, and I was like, all right, you know what? I don't need to be here in case this drops off a cliff. So I got out at about 52,200, I think, and then of course the next day it just goes up like $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, whatever it was. I got back in over here at I think 56,200 on this candle, confirming getting back above that critically important green trend line. This one here, breaking out of the bull flag formation. And I'm ready again to go ahead and sort of see what's happening up here, because I think we're headed up north. And just by the way, March is traditionally a really bad month for Bitcoin, and April is traditionally a really good month for Bitcoin. Historically, that is the facts. Now, something else kind of interesting happened, given that we kind of touched on the importance of the expiry of these contracts at the last Friday of the month. Typically, they are 4 weeks apart. So you can see this blue line to blue line is 4 weeks, Friday to Friday, Friday to Friday. The March one, it expires on the 30th of April, and it actually represents 5 weeks. You can see the gap there between those blue lines is 7 days longer than this one. So we've got a few things working towards us. We've just broken out of a bull flag. We have just gone back into the primary channel that we've been in for several months now. Let me click on auto so you can see it. This in between this pink and this green line, we've been here since all the way back in December. We're in that channel. We got the breakout of the bull flag. We've got one of the best months ever in Bitcoin historically, April, in our sights, and we've got the thing that's kind of has been smacking down the Bitcoin price once a month. Instead of being 4 weeks away, it's 5 weeks away. And so I think we got a lot of things telling us that April is going to be a really, really good month for Bitcoin. So I'm really excited to be back in the market at this point. Let me know in the comments below. Are you guys thinking that April is going to be a fantastic month? Are you into this as much as I am? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.